Hello, welcome back. How are you all? Let's talk about financial freedom if you're interested. Living a financially free and fulfilling life is the dream of many people, but it can be difficult to know where to begin. Fortunately, by taking right steps, it is possible to become financially free and live a good life. In this video, I will provide you with 10 steps to take to become financially free and live a good life. With the right plan and dedication, you can achieve financial freedom and enjoy your life of freedom and abundance. Step 1. Take control of your finances. The first step to becoming financially free and living a good life is to take control of your finances. This means creating a budget and tracking your spending. This will help you stay on top of what you are spending and make sure you are not overspending. Step 2. Make a plan. Once you have a better understanding of your finances, you need to make a plan. This should include setting some financial goals and deciding on how you are going to reach them. You should write them down on a book. It's also important to make sure that your goals are achievable and reasonable. Step 3. Create an emergency fund. It's important to create an emergency fund to cover any unexpected expenses. This will help ensure that you don't fall into debts if something unexpected happens. Step number 4. Start investing. Investing is a key to becoming financially free. You can start with small investments such as stocks and mutual funds, and then gradually increase your investment as your income increases. Step 5. Reduce your debt. The next step is to reduce your debt. This means paying off credit cards and any other loans that you may have. This will help you become debt-free and save money in the long run. Step 6. Live below your means. It is important to remember to live below your means. This means avoiding unnecessary purchases and living within your means. Just because you have money to spend doesn't mean you should spend it. Step 7. Automate your savings. Once you have good handle on your finances, it's important to automate your savings. This means setting up automatic transfer from your checking account to your saving account or investment accounts. This will help ensure that you are constantly saving money. Step 8. Live a balanced life. In order to achieve financial freedom, you need to focus on living a balanced life. This means taking time for yourself and your family, getting adequate rest, avoiding overspending. Step number 9. Give back. It's important to remember to give back to the community. This could mean volunteering your time or donating money to the cause that you are passionate about. Step 10. Enjoy your financial freedom. Once you have achieved financial freedom, it's time to enjoy it. This could mean taking a vacation, investing in a business, or treating yourself to a special purchase. No matter what you decide to do, it's important to enjoy the freedom that you have worked so hard for. I will explain about this in more detail in the future. So please subscribe, share, and like. Thank you. Goodbye.